What is going on, guys? Paul James here, and today we are going to talk about how to find a winning product to sell online. Whether you're a beginner just starting off, or you have a Shopify store and you want to sell more product that is actually going to get you good results, or you have an Amazon store, or you just want to get started selling products online, I will give you some tips and suggestions on that. I want to talk about the most important fundamental part of selling anything online, anything to do with e-commerce, and that is product selection. So that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. I will break it down in easy to understand steps so that you can find the perfect product to start making money with your online business. Now, before we get into that, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please drop below, hit that subscribe button, tick the bell notification icon, because I've got another video that I'm launching in a few days that you are not going to want to miss. Now, it's no surprise that online shopping is on the rise, with more and more people not shopping in person at stores and now shopping on the internet. Now is your time to buckle down and double down on actually making money with your online business. Or if you don't have an online business, now is the perfect time to start one. And it all comes down to finding a product that you're going to be able to scale up and make a lot of money with, or multiple products for that matter. Now, you may be wondering just how much a business like this could make. There are plenty of stores out there, e-commerce stores, whether it be Shopify, Amazon, or just self-hosting on their own website or like a ClickFunnels page, that are doing 6 figures, 7 figures. I've even seen stores out there that do 8 figures. And the way they do this is by placing a popular product on their store, and then they scale it either by finding influencers on Instagram to do shout outs, doing Facebook ads, or even just going out there and doing search engine optimization on the product. What this does is it drives traffic into the store, and sometimes these ads will even go viral, and that will then make your product take off. Lots of people will see it and they will buy it. And of course, you make the difference minus whatever you spend for ads and minus your inventory cost. Now, in a minute, we're going to jump on my phone and we're going to actually look at some specific product ideas. We're going to look at a site called Alibaba.com. Now, Alibaba is a directory of all kinds of different people who sell products, like wholesalers, so that you can get products that you can then go and resell. I'm going to show you a specific feature that is brand new to Alibaba. It's called their What to Sell feature. And this section is really cool because what it does is it provides the top 10 trending products across different categories. So you can look at the top 10 products for trending products for fashion, the top 10 trending products for beauty, for electronics. And what this can help you do is it can help give you a starting point. You can find products that are kind of already proven so that you can go out there and start listing them for sale, whether it be on Shopify, Amazon, or your own, like landing page, whether that be on ClickFunnels or WooCommerce or your own website. All right, so let's jump on my phone here and pull it open and look at some winning product ideas. All right, so let's talk more about exactly what you're going to want to sell. So what you want to do is you want to find proven products that you already know are going to do well. These are products that have done well in the past and that you just know are going to sell. One thing with doing online marketing and online business is you don't want to try and think of something that's so outside of the box that no one has ever thought of it before, because usually that can be a lot harder to sell because it's not proven. And sometimes when there's a product that's out there that no one's thought of before, it might be for a reason. Now, Alibaba has this cool feature on their website now. It's a new feature called What to Sell. And the suppliers that are under this What to Sell section are actually recommended suppliers by Alibaba.com. Now, the cool part is that these are sellable products based on real transaction data. You can actually see what's worked well so that you can apply it for your own self in your own business. And there's a high margin here. Each month, if you come in here, there's going to be a list of different products covering, makeup, household, fashion, depending on, what subsection that you're looking for. So let's just take a look in here and just take a look at some of the products that you might decide to go after. So we can see that mesh routers is hot right now, mini USB chargers, Type-C chargers, because we know Type-C is getting bigger, USB gaming microphone. So that could be a pretty interesting niche that you might decide to go after. Let's see what this is. Mini 4K point of view wearable video camera. That could be interesting. A lot of trends right now going on TikTok with this. So that could be really interesting. mini 4K projector. So I could see that being pretty cool as well. And if we click on it, we can actually get an idea of each product, what the key points are on them. So mini projectors are becoming increasingly important with online training. So that's really interesting, right? That's kind of an angle that I wouldn't have thought of. So pretty cool. It shows you the price. So over here, I'm on another page, but this one is for the category fashion. And we can kind of see what the top trending products are for fashion here. This might give you some good ideas if you decided you wanted to target and run an influencer campaign and maybe target Instagram influencers and use that as a way to promote some fashion products. We've seen some big brands blow up like Fashion Nova doing something similar to that. So you can go through here and get some ideas on what you might decide to go and put up there. Like for example, this gold plated steel color stainless steel chain lock might be a cool item that you could go and list for sale. So here's another section in the what to sell, but this one is under the beauty category. So here we have teeth whitening kit. We have blackhead remover vacuum, skin scrubber. Let's click on this one. So key points: offer home alternatives for consumers who are reluctant to visit spas. Again, really, really interesting angles. So you could be running ads for this type of angle where it's like targeting, now that you're at home and you can't visit a spa, check out this unique skin scrubber. And here's a keyword I'm seeing: do it yourself at home spa treatment. That could be a really cool keyword to target doing SEO campaigns or even Facebook ads as well. As a headline in a Facebook ad, I could see that doing well. So anyways, just a lot to look at here and a lot of different options, and come in here periodically and see what you can find. And there's more that are here. You can go through and keep looking at all of them. And then one last tip is if you actually come in here and download the Alibaba.com app and you select a category that you want to go after, if you scroll down, there's a section here called top ranking products. And this will give you an exact list of the top ranking products in that category, which is really cool. So once you have your product picked out in mind that you think you want to go after, I recommend heading over to Facebook and going in the search bar up at the top and typing in what your product is, and you'll come across a lot of Facebook pages, and you can kind of see how other people went and marketed their product. You can see here they have a thing here that says they've sold it to 10,000 customers. Now I don't know whether that's true or not, but based on the fact that it's on Alibaba's list here of trending products, and also the fact that we can see other people are selling it successfully, that kind of gives us something to go off of, and we can see how they've went and marketed their product, and we can go and try to emulate some of that. When I say emulate, I don't mean copy down to a T, but it just gives you ideas. You can go through their page, you can see how they were running some of their ads. It looks like they did some video ads. We can see some of the copy they did. They have a testimonial here, no more worrying about oily skin. So just gives you some idea to help validate even more the concept. So these are just a couple of different ways that you can really know that you're making the right decision on what product you want to sell. And this will help you get going. And from this point, it's just a matter of placing it for sale on your store of choice, whether that be a Shopify store, an Amazon store, or whether that be just creating your own landing page using a landing page builder like maybe ClickFunnels or a WordPress site. All right, so now you have all the pieces to actually go out there and start making money with Alibaba by finding a proven product and finding some advertising for it and putting it up for sale online on your favorite marketplace. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video to go check out this new feature on Alibaba. So go click the link in the description right now and check it out. And also, if you wanna learn another really cool money-making method, I will leave a video right here. Go and check that out as well. And if you're not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe and tick the bell notification icon because I've got another video coming up here shortly. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. I am Paul James. Peace out.